Greetings, dear parents. A warm welcome to you all. I hope you all enjoy the virtual tour of Shining Star International School and is eager to know more about us. Let me introduce myself. My name is Susanna Nasrat and I am your host. I will be introducing you to the senior leadership team of the school and later walking you through some of the achievements of the students and the teachers over the past 1 year. Welcoming you once again to the meet and greet of Shining Star International School. Welcome back, dear parents. Now let me introduce you to the senior leadership team. Mrs. Anju Mehta, the headmistress, Mrs. Anita Singh, the vice principal, and Mrs. Ablasha Singh, the principal of Shining Star International School. Dear parents, meet Mrs. Anju Mehta. She is a motivated, passionate, and an experienced educationist, a trainer, and at heart, a teacher who believes in empowering teachers and children. She is a headmistress who comes with 25 years of teaching, corporate, and leadership experience. She loves children and aims to continue making a difference. Meet Mrs. Anita Singh, the vice principal of our school. An educator at heart who believes that every child is unique and has the power to be the change maker that the world needs. She has completed leading school certificate in school management and leadership from Harvard Business School, Boston. She has done training workshop in strategic leadership in education during changing times from the Indian Institute of Management. Her international footprint includes being selected as MIE expert, Teach SDG ambassador, and TIFA conference country ambassador, and a speaker in an international webinar on the use of self-development for organizational development, to name a few. The never say die spirit of hers is because of her interest in sports, which she firmly believes prepares you for the best of the life. May I introduce Mrs. Ablasha Singh, the principal of Shining Star International School. A visionary leader, Mrs. Ablasha Singh is a multifaceted persona with a broad experience of more than 23 years in the field of teaching across the country and on foreign shores. She is a very passionate and motivated educator, a speaker at TEDx and JES. She leads the school through instructional and transactional leadership. Mission 2030, her dream project, involves many new initiatives for the school. Her motto, always being the best in what we do, motivated her to initiate educational transformation framework. An MIE expert, MUN trainer, a sport enthusiast, SDG ambassador, you name it, and Mrs. Ablasha has explored that area. She has expertise on matters related to sustainable development goals, student learning, and leadership and management.
A very warm welcome to the Shining Star International School family. I'm Abhilasha Singh and I'm the principal of the school. It is my honor and my privilege to be talking to you on this virtual platform of meet and greet. I would like to start and remind you of this quote if you've heard it before. This quote has stayed with me since my teaching life. And I understand the value of this quote so much because I'm from a boarding school and being a sports person myself, I understand this very deeply. So the quote goes, "The Battle of Waterloo was won on the playing fields of Eton." And parents, this quote has a lot of depth and a meaning to understand because it simply means that the school is not just about classroom teaching and learning. The school, the real learning happens outside the four walls of the classroom. And having experienced this as a student myself, and then as a teacher who has traveled and trained the students in the first place and then traveled with them for various inter-school, national, international programs, I have in front of my eyes seen my students bloom into beautiful flowers. So I understand that why schools need a very strong and enriched curriculum which just not focuses on the core of the academics, but also helps and creates opportunities in the school for students to explore their own potential, identify, and then build and work on their confidence and skills. And this is exactly why I, as a principal, am very proud of my school and take pride in the systems of our and the school program that we offer. We are driven by sustainability, innovation, and academics. So the school program is built on very strong pillars of academic achievement, and that is academic achievement and growth for our students, innovation, student well-being, global citizenship, social responsibility, which comprises of digital citizenship and global citizenship. Then is the very fact of character building and student well-being. So based on these strong pillars, we bring a very enriching learning environment for our students, or rather I would say that we surround our children in school with a very enthralling and rich learning environment and experiences. So our students, our young learners have participated in variety of international platforms and programs, recently being the Goals Project, where out of 34 schools that participated, 3 were selected from a Shining Star, and these were, nowhere else were there 3 groups being selected from the same school. And we had from KG to grade 1 and 2 and grade 11 presenting their work on that UN platform. And it was enthralling to hear the KG speak about their goal number 15, that is life on land, and grade 1 and 2 speaking about 6, clean water and sanitation, and grade 11 presented on goals 10, reduced inequalities. And tomorrow, as I speak, on 12th, we are edu partners with Rise for SDGs, and one of our, Mrs. Anju Mehta in fact is presenting tomorrow on gender equality goal number 5. So this is just one thing that I have spoken right now. There are a number of events all over the year that our students participate in, and that is the internationalism I'm talking about in the curriculum. We are a global showcase school, which again is a feather in the cap, because in the UAE only 3 schools were selected out of 100 around the world, and only 1 in Abu Dhabi, that is Shining Star International School. We are now T4 ambassador, country ambassador, 4 from our school, MIE experts. The entire school is a Microsoft Innovative Educator certified, all the teachers. And this year we are going to apply for Microsoft Showcase School, and at the same time also being a Wakelet school and a Common Sense curriculum school. So this is the Vision 20 or the Mission 2030 that Susan spoke about when she introduced me. So it is this Mission 2030 which is the journey to excellence. So it is not just an year start to year end program where we just focus on children passing from one year to the other. No. The vision is to ensure that our little learners which enter the school, which come to us in KG, when they pass out of the school in grade 12, we release our fledglings as very strong individuals into the community, into society, which are skilled individuals capable of living an independent life and are valued members of the community and global citizens. That responsibility. So parents, lot to say, lot to discuss, but keeping it short and sweet at the moment so that you are intrigued and at the same time you are confident to take this step forward and join a family of Shining Star International School. So I welcome you all to take this journey of excellence, walk with us towards Mission 2030, so that we see our students, our little ones, our children growing up into competent individuals who are not just skilled to feed themselves or to look after themselves, but are valued and responsible members of the country, of the world, global citizens in true self. So welcome to Shining Star International School, and I am confident that you're making the right choice, and I welcome you once again to be part of our community. Thank you.
Dear parents, do you know Shining Star is a home to some of the youngest Minecrafters in the world? Yes, 3 of our students have been certified as the youngest Minecrafter coders in the world, and we are really proud of that. Here we have got the toppers of CBSE Grade 10. Kirtana, she secured 97% for science and 91 for maths. Haya again secured 92% for English. SSIS empowers their staff with rigorous training and also leads them to excel in the field of education. Here I've got Ms. Afrim Bushra, who has won the Global Teachers Award for the Best Innovator category by IPN Foundation. It is indeed a remarkable achievement, both for her and also for our school. Here again we have got 5 of our students who have been given certificate of COVID Youth Icon by P Square International. P Square International is a dynamic learning institution committed to the objective of providing continuous education and teaching. Our principal, Mrs. Abhilasha Singh, was also selected as a most inspiring school leader by P Square International. As a part of Sustainable Development Goals, we initiated farming in our school. SSIS has a 100% organic farm which grows its own vegetables and fruits. It is purely a student-led initiative. We have incorporated farming into our curriculum as well. In order to excel in the online platform and for better learning and students' outcome, we have taken training on Microsoft Innovative Educator programs. All our teachers are certified Microsoft Innovative Educators. Apart from that, we have 3 of our faculty who have been certified as Microsoft Innovative Experts. This has helped us to excel in effective teaching online. Here again, we have got 2 stars who did us proud by winning first and third prize respectively for the Mother's Day competition held in Dalma Mall. Dear parents, you are the integral part of SSIS family. We at Shining Star International School has a very smooth parent communication and participation. We have a very strong parent council members. Here our parent ambassadors speak.
I am Engineer Ansari, working in Adib Group as a CEO. My child are studying in Shining Star International School. So 2 children has been completed from the Shining Star International School, and my son was studying in Abu Dhabi University, electrical engineering 3rd year. My daughter completed on 2019 batch. She was high scored in the bio, and she got the admission in the Dubai Medical College, and almost now first semester has been she completed. Other rest of the 3 children are studying in grade 4 and grade 2 and KG1. Shining Star International School, they are doing very quality education as well as taking care of the children, and very progressive, very good teaching, very good for the kids. Thank you.
Hi to one and all. I am Avantika Kamal, an admin professional in UAE since past 9 years. A famous quote from John Holt goes like this: learning is not the product of teaching, rather learning is a product of activity of learners. Proud mother of Aryan Parag, who is reading in KG2D, under the umbrella of Shining Star International School. I can stoutly say that my child is in the hands of such expertise-oriented teachers who are equipped with the treasure of knowledge, who are armed with values of wisdom, traits of nobility, and an urge of never ending to grant and impart the best of their practices and knowledge to the upcoming generation, that are our children. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Principal Ma'am Abhilasha Singh for gathering the best faculty and practices under one roof to impart the education in a very unique way to our children that will be enable the visibility of the child in a long run to face a world full of challenges and endurance. Hence, I would urge you all and recommend that Shining Star is the best place for our kids to nourish and flourish the heights of success and shine like a star in their life. Thank you very much.